Hey guys, welcome to the 2 portal. Did we get enough twos? Not enough activations today, guys. And today, what a sacred, magical day. And we really want to put forth our intentions and manifest. And with the heart, through the heart, the center of the heart. You know, many people say it from the bottom of their heart. I've begun to say from the center of my heart. And I just want to say from the center of my heart to the center of your heart, I love you. And thank you for joining in here to heal, harmonize, and raise the vibrations with us, guys. What a spectacular time from the macrocosm to the microcosm through the center point. We're going to expand. And I know much to do with what I'm wishing for manifestation-wise is peace and love and higher vibes on earth. And we know that we are stronger when we come together, when we unite. And it's the year of unity from the 1 to the 3. And today's a great day to even pull out your manifestation book and work with your manifestations. Now, I want to share a quick message, and I want to say things are going backwards today, so something is already transforming. When I was working on the parts of the messages, I was called to go backwards and put them on the channel, and then stop before the first message was put on the channel. And there's a reason for that. So there is one message. I don't know if it's going on the channel or not, or what's happening with it. We are going to expand with it and what it means. But I just want to give you guys a little bit of quick insight into what's happening here quickly. And then, you know, like I said, go where you feel called to go. It's broken up into parts, so you can go where you feel called to go. I love you guys. Okay, let's take a look at these cards. We know that we've activated the Stellar Gateway, Infinite Potential, Manifestation, and Vortex. And here we are working on karmic board clearing, okay? Energetic clearing, rewrite your story, live your truth. This is what this vortex is aiding us in doing. And that's being able to work with memories of Atlantis, spiritual acceleration, progress, and technology. And remember, this is the technology of the natural world. All right? And we are going to speak further about what that means. So stay tuned. And this is allowing us to be I am presence, light body activations, accessing the divine within. Allowing us to work with our Akashic records, clearing old stories, releasing past lives, and freedom. And guys, we are in the time of freedom right now. That's why we're working with light body activations and karmic board clearing through this stellar gateway. Okay? And this is connected to our light codes right here. Light immersion, full system upgrade, power recall. And that is what we're doing right now. Our Hathor light codes. Working with the Stargate heart. Heart chakra opening, unlocking, generosity. And guys, we're working with much generosity today, okay? Connected to right here, that Gaia gateway activation. The Gaia gateway. Learning experiences, wisdom, transmission, earth intelligence. And this is about our star gathering. Stars aligned, remembering home, soul, family. Guys, we're calling it in. But we need our Stargate heart. We need our heart chakra activated. This has much to do with our electromagnetic field. And we're going to break this down further within these readings, okay? And we're going to break this down even further as time goes on, because this has to do with purification with our heart chakra, so we can expand our electromagnetic fields. And this has to do with the divine matrix. That's the connection. The divine matrix, interconnectedness, synchronicity, and God incidences. And we received this message, and this is connected to this series of messages shared today. Guys, thanks for hanging tight with me. I really want to speak telepathically right now. I'm stumbling with my words. Star being healing codes, guys. This is what's happening right now. We're getting healing codes and important information. Wounds are healed and we're recharging. And this has to do with being initiated. We are being initiated, secrets revealed, treasures uncovered, and initiations. All right, guys, let's go forth and expand off these messages here. And we'll be working with these series of messages for a little bit until we crack the codes. I love you guys, okay?